1160 an act to further implement the free distribution of agricultural lands of the Republic domains as provided for in Commonwealth Act numbered 691 as amended to abolish the Land Settlement and Development Corporation created under Executive Order number 355 dated October 23, 1950 and to create in its place and National and Resettlement and Rehabilitation Administration and for the other purposes. The NARA shall have at least 3 divisions to wit screening, transportation, and suppliers, and settlement assistant and community work. A general manager shall submit at the beginning of each FINSA year but not later than July 31 and program of activities for the whole 31 fiscal year together with the budget of expenditure to support such a program for the final approval of the President of the Philippines. Batas 1, 2, 3, go. Ang Batas Republika BLG 1160 ay isa sa mga batas para sa sektor agrikultura. Nakapaloob dito ang NARA o National Resettlement, Rehabilitation and Administration. Ito ang siwa sa pamimigay ng lupain sa mga rebuilding, nagbalik loob sa pamahalaan, binigay din ang pamilyang walang lupa. Ito ang mapatupad noong administration ni Pang Ramon Magsaysay. Land Restriction Act ng 1902. Ito ang nagpatupad noong panahon ng Amerikano. Kilala ito bilang Resimang Torrens, kung saan ang lahat ng titulo ng mga lupain ay ipinatala.